What's going on, everyone? Welcome back. In today's video, we're going to talk about all the steps you need to take before you ever get invested in the stock market. Now, I would love to sit here and tell you that there is a magic switch you can hit and you will become an overnight millionaire once you start trading stocks. The truth is, the odds of success in the stock market as a new investor are very, very low. You are setting yourself up for failure without the proper amount of research and socializing you need before you ever jump in. So now the first thing you need to do before you ever get started down this road is start to socialize with fellow investors. This is the most important one, guys. You really have to talk a lot with people. If you engage in conversation well, or even if you don't, but to hear other people socializing about the stock market, to hear other people discussing what their game plan is, what they're going to do, what stocks they picked, things like that, it's going to spawn a lot of questions in your mind. When you get those questions, start firing away, asking them.
Yes, we plan to short sell VZ at $49 a share.
What the hell does any of that stuff even mean? What is VZ? What is a short sell? What's $49 a share? I have no clue what they are talking about. Questions, questions, questions. Observe the lingo, observe the terms they're using, and start asking them lots of questions. And just remember, guys, there's no question that hasn't been asked 100 million times before. Don't limit your knowledge and don't limit what you can possibly learn by being afraid to ask questions. Go out there and ask. Now, the next thing you need to do is assemble a daily watch list. Daily watch list is just a list of company names, ticker symbols, and stock prices. And you're going to track these every day from now to the end of your trading career. Okay, so this is a template stock watch list. Most every smartphone available now has a watch list built right into it. So I know on the iPhone you would unlock and then you would swipe left from the home page and then scroll all the way down to the bottom and you will find one of these. And I'm getting kind of a tickle out of this template because Microsoft was $49 and looks like AT&T was $36 and Google was under $700. So I'm getting kind of a tickle out of it, actually. Look here, General Electric is $28. But for all the starters and beginners, you need to start to watch and track these stocks and their prices every single day. And not necessarily just these stocks. You put the stocks that you want in that portfolio there. And as you begin to socialize more and more with people and learn more and more, you'll start to recognize the companies that you're interested in and add them to your watch list. So using a daily watch list is going to be such a big benefit to your memory. Once you start using a daily watch list, I would say over the course of a month, your brain will automatically start to associate company names directly with ticker symbols. For example, if you wanted to look up Facebook stock, you would just look up the ticker symbol FB. Or if you wanted to look up the company name Alibaba, you would just look up the ticker symbol BABA. And you have to know this stuff before you ever start buying or short selling stocks. And the final thing I encourage people to do is to start doing some trade simulation. So basically what trade simulation is, it's where you're going to start buying stocks and holding them, but you're not going to use real money to do it. Now, one method I used 13 years ago when I first got started was I would take a notebook and a marker and I would write down the company name, the company ticker symbol, and the stock price that I wanted to enter in at. That's all there is to it, really. It's as simple as that. Write your company name, your ticker symbol, and the stock price you want to get in at. And see, the great thing about paper trading is that you're not investing any of your real money in it, because you're going to make a lot of mistakes in the beginning. I know I did. I made mistakes every day. But it's going to help you get experience buying and selling stocks without having to go through all the pain of losing all of your money. Because that's most of the time what happens. Now, if I was going to do trade simulation in 2017, I would probably use the notepad in my phone or like a spreadsheet on my computer, or I know there's even quite a few trade simulator apps that they have available online now. So that really takes the paperwork out of it. But the whole concept is that you're getting experience trading stocks without using any real money first. That's what you got to practice. So, Socialize, Watchlist, paper trade. Now make no mistake, this is not every single tool you need to conquer the stock market, not even close. This is just a base level package of information to get you started, to start getting the wheels turning and get you gravitating towards the stock market. That's all this is. This is for the guy who knows absolutely nothing about the stock market and wants to learn more and put himself in better position to win. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. Give me a like, subscribe, and leave me some comments. I would love to hear from you. And thank you for watching this video.